Hey there, this is Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. Today we're just hanging out at our park down the street and we're about to head home and make some creamy cashew Alfredo sauce. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. We definitely hope that you try out this recipe. Now, this Alfredo sauce, when it first comes out of the blender, it is a little bit runny, but it will definitely thicken up in the jar and in the refrigerator. Now, we ended up with 3 16-ounce jars full of Alfredo, and you're just going to leave this in the fridge until you need it. Make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you get notified every time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.